Hey guys, how's it going today? We got the new NERF Hail-Fire. This is a new blaster. It has, well, it holds up to 8 clips, so that's about 56 shots, making it the largest capacity blaster on the market right now. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I saw the product line, I wasn't really too impressed with the Retaliator, and I was really disappointed in the Rampage, because to me all that is the Raider with the new name and new paint scheme, which really is kind of, I don't know, I didn't really like that. But this stood out to me, so you know, I had to get it, and it looks pretty neat, so I can't wait to open it up and try it out. Now, it says that it's supposed to shoot up to 75 feet, but we're going to try that out and see if that's actually true. Because most of the time, what it's advertised differs from how far it actually does shoot. Let's see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Right away, I can already say that it's a lot smaller than what I pictured it being, which at first, my first opinion is that I really like that it's smaller than what I thought. A more compact gun is always a better gun. Okay, so there it is, the blaster. It feels really sturdy and like really heavy duty, which I like. It's durable, you know? Assuming it goes in sort of like that. Now, it also comes with 4 clips for the gun. And I believe, how many darts does it come with? Let's see. It comes with 24 darts. So you have the clips and the darts, which is nice. Okay, so I finished assembling the gun, and there it is. It's pretty nice. I like the way it feels. The grips, they're not awkward. It's easy to hold. You know, you slide it around like that. And then there's a safety. So what you do is you press in the safety and then shoot the gun. This is a semi-automatic gun, so that's 1, 2, 3. You can't just hold it. I know it does require batteries. I'm not exactly sure for what, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop them in and see what it does. Now, the batteries are not included with the gun, but that's okay. I really like that this takes AA batteries, because the Vulcan takes those, it's like the D or C batteries, and those are just always more expensive, and it's just more, it's always tedious to change and just really annoying in my opinion. So I like that this gun takes just the regular AA batteries, because you know most people usually just have those laying around the house. Not too many people I know of have the B and C batteries. So this is nice. I like this. I don't mind it. There you go. These are the directions, by the way. Just figured I'd get those in there. Yeah, I figured I might as well load one of these up and see how it shoots. Now, I said it before, these come with 24 darts and 4 clips, which for starters, that's really enough. Okay, right away I can already tell that this thing has a lot of firepower behind it. I can see them shooting around and they're going pretty far, and there's a lot of velocity behind them. So I'm gonna go shoot this and see how far it actually shoots. Okay, so we're outside right now. We have markers set up for 75 feet. It's a little dark out. There's some minimal wind. But we're gonna see how this works. Well, I reviewed this gun. It does 75 feet easily. I would recommend this to anyone looking to upgrade their arsenal. And thank you for watching. Come again.